Miss Alli, and today we're going to be doing an activity using coffee filters, glasses of water, and washable markers. In this activity, we're going to be working with chromatography. This means that the washable markers and the water will work together to color the whole coffee filter. And with these filters, we can make things such as butterflies and flowers. To begin, you're going to pick a color and draw a circle in the middle of the filter. Now you're going to fold it in half and in half again. Now you want your glasses of water to only be slightly full, because when you put this inside, you don't want the marker to touch the water. Doing this experiment a few times, it's important to wait until the color has reached the top. Then, once it feels dry, we're going to open it up and lay it flat so that it's completely dry before we make a craft. After about 30 minutes, I have all my coffee filters. I think one way to make them a little brighter with color would be to color the circle when you draw the circle in the very beginning. The first thing we are going to make is a butterfly, and I'm going to use this one. What you want to do is fold it in half and just scrunch it together with your fingers. Then you're going to take a pipe cleaner, just twist it around, and spread it out. You can play with this a little to make the wings and the antennas how you like it, and this is what it should look like. To make a flower, you're going to take the coffee filter that you want to use, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and fold it in half one more time. Then you're going to take scissors and round the edges. You can make any design you want. You could do zigzags, circles. Just gonna do little loops. Mine looks something like this. Now you're going to unfold it. Then you're going to choose what you want to pick as your stem. I'm just going to use a green pipe cleaner. Put the pipe cleaner at the bottom corner like this and pinch it together. Now I just kind of hold it all together and fluff it around until it looks how I want it to look. And then you can tape it in place. So this is what my flower looks like. And I also made one on a craft stick. This is what they look like. Again, you can just move them all around however you like it. These would be really cute around the house or to give as a Mother's Day present or someone's birthday. So keep that in mind. And I hope that you try this craft.